After its global debut at the 2019 Los Angeles International Auto Show was met with rave reviews, the 2021 Lexus LC 500 convertible is ready for showtime on Lexus dealer lots across the country this summer. Expanding upon the flagship performance of its coupe counterpart, the LC 500 convertible broadens the LC family with a stunning, eye-catching design and its own luxurious handling characteristics designed to take top-down driving to the next level. Lexus has never made a soft-top car before, but it has spared no efforts in coming up with the perfect roof for the new LC convertible. Not only does it give the car the same sleek and smart silhouette as the LC coupe, its clever engineering means it operates quietly and quickly, and doesn't eat up valuable load space when it is stowed. A folding roof mechanism is usually expected to last around 10 years before it needs mechanical attention, but a Lexus calls for the best quality and reliability. That's why engineers tested the roof to breaking point, finding that it could last through around 18,000 open and closing cycles before a problem occurred, even then a minor one. The rigorous program also proved the system works just as well in freezing temperatures and snow. A quiet cabin free from outside noise and vibration is an important part of Lexus omotenashi principles of ultimate customer care. The LC convertible's multi-layered canvas roof is effective in blocking out unwanted noise and its hydraulic motor works quietly and efficiently. It's common for convertibles to sacrifice load space in order to make room for the roof when it's lowered. The Lexus LC convertible offers just as much room in the luggage compartment as the coupe model, 172 liters, as clever engineering and design have enabled the top to be folded in between the rear suspension towers and for its hydraulic motor unit to be fitted in the empty space behind the rear seats. In a convertible, the cabin is more open to view and more closely connected to the car's exterior design. Lexus has sought to bring a perfect sense of continuity to the exterior and interior of the LC convertible by using innovative color coordination, enhancing the model's special character and brave design. Special attention has also been paid to the detailing on the seat upholstery, with a unique quilting pattern applied to the shoulder section of the front seats, adding both elegance and tactile quality. Perforations with 3 different hole diameters are organized in graduated pattern in which they appear to progressively fade away. Coordinating the interior A-pillar trim with the color of the roof lining is a rare quality design feature, but one that Lexus applies throughout the LC range. The effect is all the more stylish in the LC convertible, as the pillars are in clear view whenever the roof is lowered. The color coordination catches the eyes and accentuates the luxurious quality of the interior. The front engine, rear-wheel drive LC convertible shares the same direct-injected V8 power plant as the LC coupe. The engine is rated to produce 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. For the LC convertible, the engine is paired with a direct shift 10-speed automatic transmission. The convertible posts an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 4.6 seconds, and its maximum track speed is electronically limited to 168 miles per hour. One of the most impressive aspects is the time it takes, approximately 15 seconds to open and approximately 16 seconds to close, depending upon environmental factors. Even the sound system is fine-tuned specifically for the convertible with an EQ that adjusts based on the driving environment whether the top is open or closed. The power window controls have been linked to the movement of the roof as well, allowing the ability to switch to open air freedom with the single push of a button. 15 seconds is all it takes to raise or lower the roof, and the job can be done even when the car is on the move, at speeds up to 50 km per hour. It's one of the great pleasures of driving a convertible, that wind in the hair feeling that makes you feel closer to the world around you as you take to the open road. The goal was to prevent cold air chilling the lower body, while managing temperature and airflow around the head and shoulders, so that you can enjoy a refreshing breeze without feeling cold or buffeted. The cabin is a completely different environment when the roof is stowed, so precise adjustments had to be made to the air conditioning system to maintain the right temperature. The LC convertible has an open air control that automatically detects whether the top is up or down using a sensor in the roof and adjusts air conditioning performance accordingly. When the top is down, factors such as the amount of sunlight, the outside temperature and the speed of the car are all used to calculate the aircon temperature and airflow. Adjustable heaters built into the headrests direct air onto your neck, so you feel warm straight away. It's designed to suit people of different heights and works automatically, or you can use manual control, with 3 heat settings. Lexus Intelligent Climate Concierge has been adapted for the convertible, coordinating control of the automatic aircon, the seat and neck heaters and the heated steering wheel. It even recognizes when the passenger seat is unoccupied, switching off the heaters to save power. True to Lexus' famous attention to detail and omotenashi seamless comfort and hospitality principles, the air conditioning's airflow has been slightly increased to add warmth in key areas, such as the back of the driver's hands on the wheel. Lexus also looked at how the car's aerodynamics could play its part in keeping the cabin calm and comfortable, once again taking a human-centered, omotenashi approach. After researching how air flows over the car when the roof is down, the engineers created a belt line along the side of the car that kicks up at the rear edge of the doors to meet the surface of the boot lid, which itself was set at an ideal height. This detail makes for a smoother airflow that doesn't buffet the car's occupants. There is also a transparent wind deflector behind the rear seats, fitted as standard, which suppresses unwelcome airflow and keeps things quiet enough in the cabin to hold a conversation, when driving at speeds up to around 60 km per hour. It may be a small feature, but it reduces airflow around the occupants' faces by about 20%.